Sa magandang gabi, una-una, congrats both team, kayong dalawa yung nakapasok sa finals. Una-una, masabi na namin maraming salamat kay Commissioner Bryce sa pagtitiwala sa amin na makarating dito sa Liwag, yung WIREP. At pinapabot din na aming presidente na maraming salamat din. Nandito kami, dalawang referee para i-guide yung game nyo. Ilabas nyo lang yung talent nyo sa paglaro ng basketball. Although physical game, wag na lang nating intention. Okay, dito tayo sa Dubai para magtrabaho. Yung basketball, palipas oras lang natin to, kaya enjoy lang natin yung gabi. Una-una, mag-ingat tayo. Ayun lang, kung ano makikita namin, tatawag lang namin. Huwag na tayong reklamo. Pwede tayo magreklamo during timeout. Nakakausapin namin kayo para mas malinaw. Hindi kami ako magbigay ng warning or technical. Yun lang, basta ingat lang sa game at enjoy. Thank you.
To repeat what the referee said, take care in playing, no injuries, and one last kiss to each other before the season ends. I only see 4 players for Team Black. Let's start the ball game. The ball is in favor of Team Blue. Looking for something. Oh, he's going inside. No, pass. Way past Phillips. 30 seconds to shoot. Leo back to Joe. Joe inside pass to Amar. 8 seconds to shoot. Joe going inside.
Bidaw.
Phillips with the ball going to the other side. Pass to Red.
Ano daw, kuya? Balman! Butas yung babe.
Bawi, baby.
Going to the other side, looking for his teammate, pass to Joe. Pass to Ripple to Ripple by move. 4 minutes, and they're going nice pass to Joe. Joe, pass to Ripple. Now inbound pass to Mo, pass to Brian, and the ball falling by Phillips going outside. Phillips going inside. No, he's gonna beat the three. No, it's good. Boom, no goal. Brian for the rebound. Brian going to the other side. Brian for the left. Phillips going inside.
Arman, yan, harang. Arman.
Phillips going inside. 45 seconds time remaining. Phillips going inside. Get out. Phillips looking for his teammate. 10 to shoot. Pass to Joe. And it's stolen by Mo. Recovered by Bert. Edgar pass to Ram. Ram going inside looking for his teammate. No, he shoots the ball. No good. Mario for the rebound. Eric dribble the ball. Guy going to the other side. Going to the other side. Going for the... Oh my God, no, it's no good. Eric for the rebound. Eric looking for his teammate, a.k.a. Kyrie Irving. And it's stolen by Mo. Mo making a miracle here. Pass to Eric. Eric dribble the ball. Looking to make a play. 14 seconds to shoot. Eric pass to Mo. Mo looking for a screen. 6 seconds to shoot. Eric 4-2, no good. Rebound by Edgar. Edgar, long pass to 4-2, no good. Eric with the ball. Going inside for, no, it's a pass. It's a pass to number 12, Aris. Aris pass to Edgar. Edgar going inside for the layup, and it's no good. It's team blue. Ram going inside. Pass to Leo. Leo dribble the ball. Looking for a miracle. Pass to Ram. Ben to shoot. Ram pass to Leo. Leo for the long two. No good. And it's recovered by Edgar. What's the call? And it's 14 shots. It's a good 2 points by 3 points by
Ram.
2 points. It's 2 points.
3.
Shuhada. Pass to Leo for 2. No good. Rebound by Ram.
Kapus.
No good. That is rebounded by Mario. Mario pass to Rami. Rami pass to Eric. Time remaining 4 minutes to be exact. And the ball is stolen by Arman. Ram for the layup. Pass to Aris. And it's no good. Recovered by Ram. Ram for 2. No good. That is recovered by Aris. And there's a foul call. Pass 1,066 feet. Going inside for the layup. No good. Recovered by Ram. Long pass to Aris. Aris for the layup. No good. That was the call. Lagyan ng kasi mga... 10 to shoot. 20 seconds to be exact. Time remaining. And there's a foul. Ryan pass to Ted. Ted pass to Nayat. Nayat with the ball going inside for the easy layup. No good. Rebounded by Joshua Ellis. The loose ball. Stolen by Ram. Ram with the ball. Pass to Edgar for 3. No good. Rebounded pass to Brian. Brian with the ball. Going to the other side. Brian pass to Nayat. Nayat going inside for the layup. And it's no good. Go for the rebound. Go to the ball. Pass to Edgar. Edgar to the ball. Going to the other side. What a freak by Edgar. Edgar for the layup. What a nice layup by his finger. Recovered by Ted. Pass to Mo. Mo is open. Ay naku, what a layup. Go to the other side. Eric is waiting. He wants to kill the time, but the time cannot be killed because time is running. 10 to shoot. That pass to Mo. Pass to Brian. Brian dribbling the ball. Looking for a miracle here. Brian for 3. No, it's a fake. Brian for 3. No good. From the ball to the other side. Looking to make a play. Pass to Ray. And it's blocked again. Filipko. Pass to Ram. Ram for 3. No good. Brian. Drives in the ball going inside, good screen by Ray for 2, and it's blocked, but it's in. Recovered by Aris, no good. Recovered by Josh, pass to Brian. Brian going to the other side. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh, it's a problem. Behind you! 18 seconds to shoot. Philip pass to Joe, going inside for the layup, and it's goal! 2 points for Joe. Drives in the ball. Looking for a miracle here. Filipko going inside for the layup. Oh! It's a good 2 points by Philip. Round the ball. Pass to Philip. Philip for 3, no good. Pass to Ted. Ted pass to
Kabila, kuya, kabila.
Saan mo yan?
Joshua going inside for the layup. No good.
Ay, wala.
Right. 25 seconds to make that. Set for the layup.
Arman, go! Get the ball, Arman!
Pwede mo siyang bigyan, pwede kang mingipik. Sikan mo kuya. Sabay roll na lang. Tawag ka. Roll.
Sige. Let's go.
Go, Franz!
Ryan to the ball, going inside. Pass to Josh Layup. Layup pass to
Go around him.
15 seconds to shoot.
Hey, 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 hey,
For the layup. No good. That's a 5-0 by the Good pass to Eric. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Josh Layup. Just pass to Brian. And it's a goal. Eric gives the ball. Looking for his teammate. 15 seconds to shoot. Eric pass to Layup. Layup goal inside for no. It's a pass to Move. Ram to the ball. Going to the other. Nice pass to Joe. Joe for the local Super Asgo. Ram to the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Joe pass to shoot. No good. 14 seconds to shoot. Arman pass back to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Celebrate no good. And decided by Arman. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Bigay! That's the call up. One more goal to give for Team Blue. Oh!
Go board kuya!
Pass to Philip.
Wag! Are you sure?
Will Philip win the game? Oh! First shot is no good.
Baba na kayo! Baba na pre, baba na!
Oh, who's crossing? Two to shoot, two more to shoot. Who was crossing? Who was crossing? No, there's no foul, two to shoot. Shot for Philip. Let's go! Pass the ball, and kids, please. We have a crucial 11 seconds here. Seconds are coming up for Brian.
Oy, Aris, screen.
No good, rebound by Layup. Team Black ends the game and the champions of U1 League. And the first runner-up, Team Blue.
Gumana!